This patient came with a broken tooth due to deep caries. After performing a complete root canal treatment, we placed a titanium screw post inside the root to provide strong retention. The missing part of the tooth was then built up using flowable composite layer by layer to restore its original shape. This post and core build-up strengthens the tooth and prepare it for a crown. The final result is a stable and well-supported foundation for long-term restoration.